Hello, myself Dr. Padmaja, consultant dermatologist at Neuro Skin and Hair Clinic, Hyderabad. So as you all know, the rainy season has begun since there is high humidity in the environment that can lead to clogging of skin pores and skin damage if not managed properly. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about some commonly made mistakes by the people in Hyderabad during rainy season. First and foremost, skipping the moisturizer since it feels sticky. So skipping moisturizer can lead to further dehydration of the skin and overproduction of oil. So use a lightweight based moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Then washing your face after you get wet in rain. Rainwater can carry pollutants and bacteria. So once you get wet in rain, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and to avoid irritation and infections of your skin. Then ignoring the sunscreen because it feels cloudy. Sun rays or UV rays can penetrate the clouds, so this can lead to sun damage and pigmentation even in rainy season. So it is mandatory to use a SPF 30 plus sunscreen in rainy seasons and do reapply if you are outdoors. Many people use talcum powder to control sweat and oil, but this only can further clog your pores and worsen your acne. Use lightweight non-comedogenic skin products. Then using hot water to wash your face. This also can again lead to irritated skin because hot water can strip the natural oils. So use lukewarm water to wash your face with a mild gentle cleanser, especially in the nights. So now let me tell you some bonus monsoon tips for Hyderabad during rainy seasons. Tap your skin dry instead of rubbing. Keep your face towels and pillow covers clean and dry, and avoid fried or street food during this rainy season.